Hey everyone, welcome back. The last time we went through specialized animal cells, red blood cells, neurons, muscle cells, and more. Today we are doing the plant version. And honestly, plant cells are underrated. They are incredibly clever, beautifully adapted, and one of them is going to completely blow your mind. Stay until the Xylem side. I promise it's worth it. Let's go. So here is the thing about plants. Just like animals, their cells are not all the same. They specialize, they differentiate. Each cell type has one specific job and is perfectly built for it. But plants have something extra going on. Their cells deal with sunlight, water, gas, and they do all it all using some incredibly unique structures. They have cell walls, chloroplasts, large vacuoles, things animal cells do not have. And today we are covering four of the most important specialized plant cells, including one of these going to make you question everything you thought you knew about what it means to be alive. First up, the Palisade mesophyll cell. This is the photosynthesis machine of the plant. Its job is simple: absorb as much sunlight as possible and convert it energy. And everything about its shape screams efficiency. It's tall, column-shaped and packed with chloroplasts, up to 50 per cell. 50 tiny solar panels, all working at once. It is at the very top of the leaf, closest to light. And here's the clever detail: its large vacuole pushes the chloroplast toward the edge and walls of the cell, maximizing how much light each one can catch. Nothing is wasted. Every millimeter of this cell is doing something useful. Next, guard cells. These come in pairs, and together they surround a tiny pore called stoma. Their job is to control what goes in and out of the leaf: carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water. And they do it through a beautifully simple mechanism. When the plant has plenty of water, the guard cells fill up, swell, and because of their thick inner wall, they bend outward, opening its stoma. Carbon dioxide comes in for photosynthesis, oxygen exits. When the plant is losing too much water, the guard cells shrink and the stoma closes, protecting the plant from drying out. They also have chloroplasts, which is unusual for leaf surface cells, because they need energy to actively control that opening and closing. A single leaf can have up to 300 stoma per square millimeter, all of them opening and closing throughout the day, responding to light, water levels, and carbon dioxide concentration. Now we go underground. Root hair cells. Their job: absorb water and minerals from the soil. And the key adaptation here is that long, thin hair-like extension that grows out from the cell. This extension pushes between soil particles, reaches the water holder, and massively increases the surface area available for absorption. We are talking about a surface area bigger than a football pitch for a single root system. And notice no chloroplasts, not at all, because they are underground where there is zero light. No point having them. Instead, the cell has a large vacuole and thin cell wall, both designed to let water flow in by osmosis as efficiently as possible. Every feature, every absence of feature, all delivered. Okay, stop. I need you to pay attention to this one because it's genuinely one of the most fascinating things in all of biology. Xylem vessels. These are the tubes that carry water from the roots all the way up the leaves. And here's the wild part: they are dead. Not dying, not dormant, completely, fully dead. And that's the whole point. When xylem cells develop, they go through a process where their contents completely disappear. The cell dies. What is left is a hollow tube, perfectly shaped for water to flow through. The walls get reinforced with a sustainable substance called lignin, strong, waterproof spiral bands. They keep the tube rigid and open. Water travels up through these dead hollow tubes from the roots to the leaves, sometimes meters and meters upward. A large tree can move hundreds of liters of water per day through xylem vessels, with zero energy, no pumping, no ATP, nothing. Just physics. Transpiration pull from the leaves draw the water up. Dead cells still working. Biology is absolutely wild. So, for the incredible plant cells, Palisade cells sit at the top of leaf, packed with chloroplasts, capturing every bit of light they can. Bar cells open and close to stomata, balancing gas exchange and water loss with remarkable precision. Root hair cells extend into the soil, absorbing water across a massive surface area. And xylem vessels that hollow, lignin reinforced tubes, silently moving water up the entire plant with no energy at all. Each one perfectly built for its job. Each one a masterpiece of natural engineering. And that's for today. Plant cells, specialized, adapt, and honestly a lot more interesting than most people give them credit for. In the next video, we are starting something brand new: biomolecules. Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, the actual molecules that build every living thing on the planet. It's a big topic and we are going to break it down simply and clearly as always. Subscribe so you do not miss it, drop a like if this helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.